Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Virtue Otto, and on this channel I share videos on food and business. Kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that when I post new videos like this, you'll be informed. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this plantain puff puff recipe. As you can see, it is not oily, it's yummy. Can you see what the inside looks like? So delicious. You want to have a taste of this. Here are the list of ingredients you will need. You would need some overripe plantain, onions, sugar, ginger, cinnamon powder, some dry pepper. Usually I mix the red dry pepper with Cameroon pepper for most of my recipes. You'll be needing baking powder, seasoning cube, flour, and some milk. This recipe is actually very easy. You'll start out by mashing your plantain. Make sure you mash it properly. Then you will introduce the other ingredients. with this recipe, you'll be able to impress your family and friends with a delightful treat. You'll also have lifetime access to this recipe, so you can recreate it whenever you like. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like, comment. I would love to read from you. Thank you.